Alright, I have a challenge lock here that comes with a whole piece of cardboard. Another one by MrMe. He's the one who had that pin and pin and pin and pin. Pin and pin and pin and pin, yeah. This one is angle grinder. Definitely needs a shim. And for whatever reason, I'm not allowed to pull pin 1 out. Which is concerning. Who knows what's in it? Must use a shim. There's a key in here. No looking. Alright. I've not looked in there, obviously. So, okay. Tighten that up. That's not going to go from there, but it will go off the warding. We've got plenty of room for that. And we can stick this up there. That's out of the way. And let's see how we go. Alright, so pin 1 is loose. I put tension on, binds. Very suspicious of this pin 1 thing. Alright, well. Seems fine. Just testing it out, playing with it a bit. Alright, seems alright. 3, 4. Some down the back there. Release them. Yep. Yeah, that's very good. Let's get the pick head actually on it. There we go. Up and over that lip. Another one down here. Alright. And a deep pulse set there. This like feels very strange. Everything's like whoa. Alright. Oh. Tell me that's not open. What? Yes. What? What was I stuck on? Are you... Oh my god. How long ago did I have that open? What was I even stuck on? Oh, that is deeply disappointing. I had it open fucking super early on. Get this key out. Oh my god. Oops. Angle grinder. I just snapped that though. But anyway, there's our key. It's just kind of stiff. Maybe that's the problem. It's just kind of stiff. Must have been hitting on something. Yeah, I was. Look, now with the key I can't. Oh, immensely frustrating. All right, whatever. That is my own fault and not the locks. Not really. All right, well, let's cut the thing. Wake up. All right. Bling. Immediately that landed back in my lap. All right. You definitely need a shim. Conveniently, it comes with one in the bag, so we'll use it as well. Right. Okay, so we've got no core mods. Nasty overset trap. Fancy pin and pin. In. Don't play with that too much because I did break one of these once. I'm playing with it a bit, so we'll leave that as it is. Don't pull out driver 1, they say. So we'll ooh, bit fat with this. Ooh. It's kind of stuck now with the shim in it. That's annoying. Just gently have that on the edge of the table. Pull the shim out the front. All right. We will cut from the back. All right, so we had a T-pin type thing for 6. Pin and pin type T-pin. And a deep spool on 4. Whoa, very sharp pin on 3. Very sharp pin on 2. And 1, I can, without pulling it out, I can see is pin and pin and pin. Oop. Like the one I did that other lock. Like the hole is just a lock out of round. Maybe it is. Yeah, that's the problem. It's not really spinning smoothly around, even around just this follower. So I don't know. It's odd. So we'll not pull the pin and pin and pin driver out. We'll leave that because it does say not to. Because it can break. I really thought there was going to be some kind of super core mods in this thing just based on where we got in that false set, but it was just the way it was clamped in the vise. And I'm not entirely sure how it managed to get stuck, but it most certainly did, and that is very annoying. But anyway, part of me feels like I should pick it again now in a different way, but I don't know, maybe I will do that, maybe I won't. Let's pin this thing back up though. Do that off camera. So there we go, there's the key again. This was Angle Grinder by MrMe.